and welcome to day 6 out of my 25 days of Christmas. Today's makeup look is inspired by the classic Christmas cracker. So like I normally do, I start by sketching the design out of my face first. I have already done my base makeup before doing this off camera, but the eyebrow pencil that I'm using to sketch out the design is the Teeny Weeny Micro Eyebrow Pencil by Rude Cosmetics. I wanted this whole look to have a cartoon style feel to it, so the first thing I drew out on my face was the cartoon bang on my forehead, as I'm going to be holding the cracker either side of my head, so it looks like I've just pulled it apart and it's gone bang in the middle, but in a cartoon bubble. Then I was thinking about what is inside a cracker. So if I did pull it apart above my head, what would fall out of it? So of course I have the joke that is in the cracker, probably the most iconic thing you get in a cracker. And I also drew a paper crown that you get inside crackers on my cheek as well. I then started to paint the cartoon bang on my forehead. For the shape behind the word bang, I used the Mayron Face and Body Makeup in the shade Yellow. For the stars in this section, I used the Fenty Beauty Vivid Liquid Eyeliners. I have every single shade that they had, and I used every single one of those as a colour for the stars. I then painted the word bang in red, and the face paint I used for this is actually by Craft Pro. I got them off of Amazon. I have their face and body 6 paints set, and I used the red in that to paint the word bang. For the triangles in this section, I used the Fenty Beauty Vivid Liquid Eyeliners again, just so it ties all of it together. So for the last thing to come out of the cracker is the toy or the object that you get. Every time I have a cracker, I always get this stupid neon green comb that is so small that it will not be able to go through anyone's hair or even a doll's. Because I have this inner hatred for this comb, I had to paint it on my face. I filled in this comb with the Fenty Beauty Vivid Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Lime Fever. I also filled in the paper of the joke with the Mayron white face paint. And for the tissue paper crown, I used the Mayron face paint in the shade Orange. I then went in with a black face paint again by Mayron and started to outline everything that I had painted on my face. I then go into some dark brown eyeshadows and some black eyeshadows and start to create some shading around the different shapes that are on my face. So I started off with the paper, and then I move on to the crown and the bang on my forehead and just everything that I've painted on my face. For my brows, I used a yellow face paint. This one is by Mayron. And to make them really stand out, I create some shadow underneath them as well, as I think they looked a bit washed out against my skin tone. I coated my eyelashes with some mascara before applying the Beauty Boss eyelashes. These actually came in a pack of 3, and they're number 304. For my lips, I used a Colourpop lip set, and the lip pencil is called Hot Cakes, and the lipstick is called $1 Million Baby. And this is the finished look. I put on this yellow wig to go with the rest of the makeup, and then I created this cracker prop using some card, tissue paper, pipe cleaner and Christmas ribbon. Let me know what you think of this look in the comments down below. I feel like it's quite different for me. If you like it, make sure to press the like button, and if you want to see some more of my Christmas looks coming this December, I have 25 for you. If you are interested, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. You can follow me over on my Instagram page and on my TikTok. On both of them, my name is @Brooke.Ellis_. It's linked in the description down below, along with all my other social medias and some discount codes. If you are looking to save some money for your Christmas shop, for yourself, for your loved ones, whenever, you can have a look in the description down below, as I do have some discount codes for some makeup brands. Also a photo book that runs out on the 31st of December. It's a 40% discount code. So if you are interested, check that out before that runs out. I also have some contact lenses down there and just some other discount codes, so if you're interested, check out the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video super soon. Bye.